Wish her luck. Rock back in a bit. How did it do? How did it do? Come on, let's find out. Yes. She's eaten it and left no crumbs. Go on, Bessie. What a girl. People picking lettuce and cooking celery. You'll have to come out tonight down here if you want to go warp speed 9. See many tractors and trailers. Place to be during the day, the M.O.T. Maybe come back out at dusk. I can stop that swaying about, that camera. Yeah, this time last week, misfiring here in the Escort. You know, looking at me outside the pub, thinking, why does your Escort sound like a Subaru Impreza? Oh my god. Just made another mount out of a GoPro mount. Still shaking a bit. I think it's the nature of the beast. You're trying to dangle a phone off your windscreen. You're not laugh, aren't you? Mini rain days. It's only September. So what about? Can you hear all the bloody horns? What's going on? What's happening with all these horns? Oh, I want to go out and have a look. Like loads of wagons, isn't there? Honk if you smell a wee. Yeah man, top honkers. Top honking. So we're going to go out in the Escort for a raz or what? Be rude not to now, would it? Giving the Sierra all the limelight. Honk honk. Yeah, they all must be in a village or something. For this lot. Oh my god. Must be like breast cancer or something. Everyone's in pink, aren't they? Wow, Herbie. Hey, this is alright, isn't it? Yeah, man. Cool. Should be on the horn as well. Yeah, man. Focus RS. Oh, yeah, we timed that well, didn't we? Look at all these. Skyline or something. Yeah, man. Harley Davidsons and trikes and shit. No way. Okay, now man. Hey, that was a cool horn. What a time to come out. I don't think we're going down the moss for a rag at the minute. Holy shit, I've never seen so many tractors in my whole life. Wow, see the exhaust pipes on that? No way. Wow, check this whole thing out. Jesus, open top cruiser bus. Looks like it's had the roof chopped off it. Yeah, I don't think we're going anywhere for a little bit. A few Fords out. There we go, Focus RS. My horn's crap. Oh, look at this bad boy. It's got stick hat on. Boost. No way. Herbie. It's pretty cool. What the hell is that? Oh my god. A Volkswagen towing off 3/4 of a Volkswagen. Not one Ford. Wow, look at that. Apocalyptic. Look at the size of that thing. That's a tipper skipping out of that. Wow, big Yankee truck. Hear the turbos whistling on it. size of this thing. Big snow plough on the front of it. Oh, don't stop there, mate. Can't really tear off down here because it's my local folk. There's not many black Escort Cosworths around here. If I'm going down here like a scalded cat, I don't think they'll be too pleased. Doesn't look like this camera's focusing, to be honest. Shows that how far the cameras have come. On the iPhone X and the iPhone 12. See the face on it. See the face on it. Like a bulldog licking piss off an apple. Hey, we've left some rubber. We've left some rubber with the Sierra before. Oh, so much to be gung-ho in it down here. Busy down here. Don't pull out, mate. Right, we're back home and dry. Hope that was alright for you, as quick razz out. I've got these smoke lights to fit tonight. I'm doing away with the Nomads. So yeah, if you want more point of view driving, Put in the comments. What would you be taking for the weekend? The Escort or the Sierra? I think I know which one I'd have. Make sure you subscribe as well, you miserable gets. I'm trying to get to 500. Peace.